The more senior you become, the more decisions are driven by intuition, by confidence. And so I wanted to really learn more of the methodologies as well to counter those biases.
Nowadays, it is challenging to take the correct decision, especially if it's a strategic decision. They design the program in a way that take you from your opinion to a group opinion. This is very good way of improving the decision taking in any organization.
You're able to learn from, not only the professors, but also from business leaders from around the world, being able to give their perspectives in that decision-making process and how it applies to them and how I could bring that back to what I'm doing.
Our course consists of both the decision-making process, but also using the technologies, such as artificial intelligence, as part of our decision-making process.
AI is important because it's not gonna go away. We have heard about it for many years, so how can you use it? And use it powerfully and doable to the organization.
Breaking down decisions based on the science of decision-making, so the processes and the variables, the outliers, things like that, is highly valuable.
This combination of having methodologies that you can apply, as well as how do I actually influence the environment, the company culture, to make sure that those methodologies also work.
I actually think that I'll be able to conceptualize different decisions in a more comprehensive manner, be able to more efficiently make the decisions.
The program for me have been that I will do much better decision making in the end from now on, if I take these tools with me and implement it in my daily business.